to someone's reel, their Facebook post, and you're probably like, I see everyone excited, but I don't even know what this is, what it does, or what it even means. And so what you have to be is open to the education in order to completely change your life. Listen, it's really way more simple than what you think it is. There's only 3 key secrets to success in cryptocurrency. I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with it, and so have so many of my friends. Number one, you have to have the right information. You have to have a crypto account, and you need to know what to buy. It's literally that simple, right? And so what information do you need? First of all, to feel comfortable with what's going on, especially if you were born in the 70s, the 60s, 50s, 40s, 30s, right? This is something new, right? Because what we're doing is we're shifting from fiat currency, which is the paper that you are used to a digital currency. That's all it is. It's that money is shifting from being paper to digital. You're already kind of playing around with it now. That's why you have Apple Pay on your phone. You're not actually touching the money, but it's transferring from an electric purchase, right? It's electrical. So that's the same thing with the cryptocurrency. It is a digital thing. So understanding what cryptocurrency is, it's digital currency. You kind of play with it now with the dollar, with fiat currency, but now what's happening is, let's just say that there's a new type of dollar, right? And it's not called a dollar anymore. It's called Bitcoin. It's called Ethereum. It's called Litecoin. There's a new type of dollar. And if you travel around the world, countries have already embraced it. With inflation going up, right? The dollar is going down. And so this is not something where it's something to pay attention to for the short term, right? Because Bitcoin was 25 cents at one time. It was $100 at one time. And do you know who's still making all the money from this type of stuff, guys? It's the same people, the wealthy people. So why does it come across as an investment opportunity? It's because it currently is an asset because of the demand. So we're going to get to a point, just like your dollars that you have right now. You don't watch the currency, the markets, to see if the dollar is worth, 20% more than the euro or 20% less, because the whole world, right? The United States with the dollar, we exchange dollar for dollar. So the people are saying that the dollar is valuable. That's why everyone still wants it. So why are you seeing all over social media that people are saying Bitcoin is 93,000, 60,000, 50,000? What's happening? The reason people are getting excited is because the demand is going up. Whenever the demand is going up, there is a different value price, right? So you get to get a lot of it, right, as the value goes up. So let's just say, for instance, if I break it down to you, it's like having a piece of the pie, right? When Bitcoin was 25 cents, some people have hundreds of thousands of the Bitcoin. They were buying whole pies, right? But as the price continues to go up, most people don't have $70,000 or $93 to buy an entire Bitcoin. So one of the things you have to understand is that you can buy pieces of Bitcoin. You can have $2 and invest it, and you play the long game with it, and that $2 can turn to $20,000, right? And if you don't believe it, look at the people who bought the Bitcoin for 25 cents, all right? And now one Bitcoin is worth 93,000. So as the demand goes up, and we have people in the government that push for cryptocurrency, guys, this asset is like buying gold or silver. As a matter of fact, right now, the Bitcoin is, with the amount of money that's coming into it, you can see off the demand, people want this cryptocurrency more than they even want the gold. Okay. And so why does it not take a lot to be successful with it? Okay. It's still new, right? Once Bitcoin hits its cap of whatever it's going to be, trust me, the people who are the wealthy will have a bunch of it, and the people who don't will be getting paid in it. Right. And so before this becomes a one world currency, you want to have access to a lot of it. So number 2, all right, you need a crypto account. You got Coinbase, Gemini, crypto.com, right? These are all legit publicly traded companies to start buying your crypto. Here's one of the things on the internet people get afraid of, is they think they're giving their money to someone. You're not giving your money to anyone. You're in full control. You can take it when you want to. You can leave it when you want to. But what I encourage you to do is play the long game. I had a friend yesterday tell me he made $20 million in a day, but he's been investing since like 2009. Also had a testimony of a guy who finally crossed $1 million in his portfolio because he was investing $25 and $50 and things like that. Every week he had some extra money. So when we talk about publicly traded, these are not companies that can go and take your money. This, I want you to think, these Coinbase, Gemini, Crypto.com, this is basically your Chase, your Bank of America, your Wells Fargo for the crypto, all right, experience. And so everyone, as they start playing this game, wants to have a crypto account. Now, there are hundreds of coins. Which one should you buy, right? And people don't know that. But that's why this system is going to help change so many people's lives. Because what we have access to is the professionals who have the portfolios for 10 million, 20 million, and things like that. They're telling us what to purchase. And so what our system is, we're going to teach you how to buy, what to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. All right. And when you know these things, you will begin your success journey in the cryptocurrency space. So listen, this is a quick teaser video. You've seen someone's reel, you've seen it on their page. What I can encourage you to do is that you 1000% want to get into the game, because when you get into this game, for any of you guys that are worried about your retirement, what you're going to do over the next 5 to 10 years, well, Robert Kiyosaki is one of the most sought after financial advisors, right? From the 90s and the 80s, he was trying to teach people how to become wealthy. They asked him a question the other day: how can a 50-year-old or older become a millionaire? And the way you're going to be able to do that is to start playing in the cryptocurrency world, because right now it is an asset to the world. You're not going to understand everything. So even after you watch this video, if you're looking for understanding, right, you're going to miss your opportunity, because the next 6 to 24 months is going to be absolutely insane. Whoever showed you this video, guys, you want to get connected and plugged in with them. There's different packages that you can choose from. We'll explain that to you over the telephone. But if this video was interesting to you and you do want to book a phone call and you're ready to get started, right? If you're still seeking information, the information that you're seeking is in our system, where we're doing live classes all throughout the week. We're holding your hand. We're not teaching you to learn and figure it out. We figured it out for you. We're leveraging, as you could see on the screen, we're leveraging these professionals, all right, who have access to all the different coins that we need to be purchasing in order to really make a profit. So you're not learning to know what to purchase. We tell you what to purchase, but in the meantime, we teach you as you go. So if you're interested in learning this, guys, get back to the person, get your call scheduled. They're going to put you on the phone with one of our top producers in this space